In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find saved posts in the LinkedIn app quickly and easily. Let's dive right in. To begin, we'll start by heading to the LinkedIn website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in linkedin.com into the address bar. Hit enter, and you'll be directed to the main LinkedIn page. If you're more of a mobile app user, you can open the LinkedIn app on your smartphone as well. The steps are pretty much the same on both platforms, but we'll focus on the general process here, which will be useful regardless of your device. Once you have LinkedIn open, the next step is to log in. Do this by tapping on the sign in button if you're not already logged in. You have the option to sign in using your Google account, Microsoft account, or the traditional way with your email address and password. Be sure to enter your credentials carefully to avoid any login issues. Once you're logged in, you should now see your LinkedIn feed displaying various posts and updates from your professional network. Now, pay attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile picture there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. Here's where you can access most of your personal LinkedIn settings, and most importantly, all your saved items. Once you've clicked on your profile picture, you'll be taken to your profile page. At this stage, take a moment to scan through your profile, looking for the button labeled Resources. It's typically situated somewhere below your profile summary, so it might require a bit of scrolling. Once you spot that Resources button, go ahead and click on it. This action will expand a menu with several options, and one of these is Saved Items. Now, what you need to do is find and tap on the Saved Items option, which is directly within the Resources section. It shouldn't be too hard to find. As soon as you tap it, you'll be presented with a list of all the posts that you've saved. This list includes articles, job postings, and any other content you've chosen to save for later. It's a handy feature that lets you easily revisit items of interest whenever you need. And there you have it, a straightforward way to navigate and find your saved posts on LinkedIn. By following these steps, you'll never lose track of the valuable content that captures your attention. I hope this guide has been helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks.